This is the name of our sourcing project. We name it Sterling Silver Dreams, as it is a dream for many people, especially women, to have sterling silver jewelry in their jewelry collection. People wear jewelry as a symbol of femininity or to showcase their social status. Jewelry can also make a woman feel confident and beautiful. We chose Mexico as the sourcing country of silver. The Mexican silver industry has achieved great success and built a solid reputation around the world for being a world leader in silver production and silver export. Our product is sterling silver jewelry. Sterling silver refers to silver that is at least 92.5% pure silver, while the remaining 7.5% is made from a filler metal. It is not enough to affect the look or function of the silver jewelry. Sterling silver has many advantages, including giving stunning beauty, durability, and hypoallergenic. Since we are applying a multi-source approach in our organization, we have chosen 3 suppliers, which are Fresnillo as our main supplier, and the other 2 suppliers are Pan American Silver and First Majestic Silver. These 3 companies in Mexico are among the top silver mining companies in the world and have witnessed a substantial growth in revenues and market shares in the global silver industry. The institutions receiving these products include Habib Jewels and Tiffany & Co. Habib has always been driven by a simple vision, which is to offer Malaysians uniquely different and exclusive world-class jewelry at honest and fair prices. Habib's philosophy is founded on core values that underscore the importance of exceptional customer service, constant innovation, superior craftsmanship, and honest valuation. Today, Habib is a multi-award-winning brand that stands as one of Malaysia's premier jewelers with a diverse clientele from the United States, Europe, and all over Asia, including Dubai, Indonesia, Brunei, Singapore, and Hong Kong. Tiffany & Co. is a company with a strong brand name and famous for its luxury goods. The company's key growth strategy are to selectively expand its channel of distribution in important markets around the world without compromising the long-term value of the Tiffany & Co.
The next part is purpose of sourcing. Number 1, high quality. Standard Mexican silver is 92.5% pure. It is used for making jewelry, currency, and decorative items. Mexico is the number 1 silver producing country in the world. In 2019, the country produced 6,300 metric tons of the metal, an increase of 180 metric tons over the past year. Number 2 is save cost. In Mexico, the silver is inexpensive compared to other countries because of its large supplier. Zacatecas is Mexico's leading silver producing state by 46.5%. We can easily buy it in gallery stores or even on the beach. The last one is limited supplier. We already know that silver is a really high demand material nowadays as it can be used for a various purposes and especially in jewelry industries. Malaysia has a limited supplier in silver and we cannot just depend on our country to produce, so that's why we have to source the material from another country.
Next is costing and regulation. For the costing, minimum and maximum order quantity we need per month is around 200 kg to 300 kg. Cost for minimum order is 604,068 ringgit and 83 cents, and cost maximum order is 906,150 ringgit and 58 cents. For a transportation, we choose a transport. The shipping cost for a minimum order is 8,671 ringgit and 70 cents, and a maximum is 12,172 ringgit and 94 cents, and usually arrive in 5 to 8 business days. For the tax, import duty is 5%, and sales tax is 10%. For the regulation, for tax purposes, all Mexican importers must register and be listed with the official register of importers. In order to apply the correct taxes and duties, several documents are needed, which is import declaration, a commercial invoice, a bill of lading, a proof of exemption, and a certificate establishing the origin of the goods. When shipping internationally, the document required will depend on the route and national custom regulation for what company decide to send. Some of the common import documents required to ship from Mexico to Malaysia are the shipping label, the original invoice, and pro forma invoice. When shipping between countries that do not belong to a trade-free zone, a customs declaration should also be attached. Documents are required for international shipping. First is pro forma invoice. The pro forma invoice is a document required for international shipping with Eurosender. It contains all the relevant information about the shipment. Second is commercial invoice. This document helps the custom authorities determine the applicable taxes and duties to the shipment. Third is certificate of origin. This type of shipping document prove that a specific product was obtained, produced, manufactured, or processed in a particular country. Next is shipping label or waybill. The shipping label displays the essential information about the shipment that enables the shipment to reach its destination. For the last is custom declaration. It helps the authorities to determine the applicable custom duties and taxes to the shipment.
My name is Tashisha. I will present about sourcing strategy. First is multi-sourcing. This multi-source benefit the company because we can purchase silver from different supplier which will make the supply chain less uncertain. Besides that, the company can get more flexibility by using multiple suppliers. For instance, if a natural disaster occurs at one of the suppliers, the company will be able to get assistance from its other supplier. Second, in e-commerce, we will create a platform for selling goods. It will provide convenience for consumers to buy goods or services without causing physical constraint. Third is outsourcing. Having external suppliers provide goods and services that were previously provided internally. Besides that, the company can gain a competitive advantage by reducing costs and improving efficiency. It also will reduce ongoing investment in internet infrastructure.